Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a black diamond trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and coming with the Sasquatch package, which gives you some nice beadlock rims with 35-inch tires on there for going off-road. You've also got rock sliders down below, soft top up top, and the fifth full-size spare matching the Sasquatch package, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have your rear tailgate that opens up to the side, exposing your cargo area, which is relatively spacious, with these lasso tie-down hooks. You have a 12-volt power outlet there, and you here have your door bags, because of course the doors are removable and you want to keep them safe. And underneath this little cover here, you have a spot for all of your hardware, your jack and all that. Being a four-door model, let's look into the back, where you have seating for three with a nice marine grade vinyl interior, very comfortable. In the middle you have your window controls, as well as a USB and USB-C and 110 volt power outlet. You also have vinyl flooring with drain plugs, because you're going to want to go off-road with this. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, all of that, most of which is located in the center console here though. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, which also extends to the bottom there. But then you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your My View, trip and fuel, off-road information, which is pretty important. You have all your stats there, navigation, phone and radio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. My View being like a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Whatever you want to put there, you can put there. And then moving on to the left, where you do have your cruise controls with lane keeping assist. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then you have your general vehicle features such as driver assistance and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, here you have some of your off-road controls features. You have a front and rear locking differential, as well as trail turn assist, so if you're going down a particularly tight trail and need to make a tight turn, that will help you. You have your traction control shut off, hazards, and up here you have your mounting spot for your accessory rail, so if you want to mount a GoPro to film your trips or anything like that, you can do that. Moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start stop shut off, and your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay warm. Down below that, you have this little area with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. You have, of course, a grab handle for when you're bumping around. You have them on either side of the dash as well. And then you have your main shifter here for the 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your 4x4 selector here with 4 auto and trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as your goat mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then moving on, you have 2 cup holders, and then of course here you have your window and mirror controls, because the doors are removable, but the mirrors are not. They stay on the vehicle and the doors are removed, so you still want to be able to control those. And your lockable center compartment / armrest, which of course is lockable since you can take the doors off. You want some security, and you have plenty of room in there with another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there. And then up here you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. Of course, the roof is removable and foldable because it is the soft top version, but that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, or just come on and have a nice day.